Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to repost a Instagram story. So first thing we have to do is open the Instagram application, and after we are in the Instagram account, we will be generated into the first page, which is the home page. So to check either we are tagged into someone else's story is just go into the direct message button on this upper right corner, and after that there will be appear on the top that someone mentioned you in their story. You just need to click it, and after that to repost the Instagram story you just need to open the Instagram, and after that click a add to your story, or you can directly click a add to your story. And that's all the way how to do a repost. You just need to adjusting the size of this post by pinch the content with your two fingers, and then after that like drag it, make it larger like this. Okay, like this, right there. So if you are just satisfied with everything, you can add the caption by click this and type what you want to have here. And after you done, just click done. You can also adjusting the size for the typewriting that you have, adjusting the positions too, like this, right there. And after you're done and satisfied with everything, you just need to click either you want to post it into your story or close friends only. And that's all the way how to do repost for Instagram story on your Instagram account. So if you find that this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.